Welcome to my normal life, question mark. This is a quick product review. I did a unboxing a couple days ago. Today I'm going to show you how it works. This little saw that I received, I bought with my own cash. Here's a quick test. I'm just setting up my ruler, and so I cut it relatively straight. That's important to cut things straight, don't you think? And so this is the Dovaman mini circular saw, and got the snips. Cost under $100. I think it's a good price. Here I am connecting some electricity to it since it's a corded model. Again, the reason I bought this, and I'm not using my gigantic circular saw and my other saws that I have various saws, and but this one is easy to tote around and use. I'm going to keep it in my RV, and I'm going to chop primarily, again, plywood. This is I think about a ½ inch, very thin plywood. It can be up to an inch and a half. They cut through there relatively easily, I think. But what do you think? Again, here's the edge. It was pretty clean. I would give it a out of 10 being perfect and 0 being absolutely horrific. I give it a good solid 7. I give it a 7. This little corner was a little nubbed. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and leave your kind and friendly comments below. And of course, I'll have links to this product in the description. You're welcome. Again, thank you very much for watching my video and my unboxing. Of course, if you watch my unboxing, I'll leave a link also to that in the description. Here's some of my equipment I use. I use in the field setup today, my DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. I'm in Fort Worth, Texas. This is my normal life, question mark. My name is Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Gracias. Adios. Ring the bell for future notifications. Bye-bye.